Wix newsletter tutorial, how to create a newsletter. So this is a simple and easy guide for Wix newsletter tutorial, how to create a newsletter. So basically what you're going to do is you have to go to your Wix or go to wix.com and sign up. Basically, you have to look for blog templates. So because I have my Wix already, it's just so easy to sign up. Just add your email address or connect your Google account and it will take you directly to your Wix dashboard. And what you're going to do here to start with a newsletter is look for a template, for example, food blog, something like that. Because if you start from scratch, it would be a very hard thing to do. So let's just pick from any simple template right here. Click edit, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. And don't worry, you can just basically delete any of the image right here. If you think that this image is unnecessary, you can just simply delete them. Okay, if you want to be very specific with your email, like for example, subscribe, if it's all about subscription, then what you're going to do here is you have to simply go to this plus icon and then you have to look for interactive. Under light box menu, you will see here subscribe. Let's just say if you want to be very specific or if you want to design your subscription, just go to Lightbox menu and then look for subscribe right here. Tap this one. It will be added directly to your Wix dashboard. And what you're going to do here is you just have to simply edit this. So for example, if you want to edit the format, if you want to edit the font size, if you want to add more features and options, okay, so you can basically just simply click this one right here. So you can go to settings to make some changes. You can go to design or layout to change layout right here. And you can also change the color. You can change everything. You can add design to your subscription. So also if you tap form, then you can add more choices for the form. If I'm going to tap this one right here, you can change option for get subscribers like the settings, submit message, payment, conditions, contacts, automations, email, marketing. So this is what you're going to do if you want to create or change layout or create a design for subscription for your email marketing. Now, let's just say if you want to create a simple newsletter using this Wix platform, what you're going to do here is you can just basically look for the email marketing option. So you have to go to the left side, go for apps or go to apps and then click marketing and SEO. Here you will see this create marketing email. What you're going to do here is you have to click this one to create newsletter, tap this, and this is what it looks like. So actually creating email or newsletter here on Wix is very easy. All you have to do is to edit. For example, the first one here is the title. So I'm going to add a title right here. I'm going to replace this. So the name of my newsletter is Get the Latest Recipes, Tips, and More Straight to Your Inbox. So you can just change the font style. Okay, font size. You can also add design. If you tap design right here, then basically you can change the design of your title or your text above. As you can see, this is what it looks like. You can add a background color, okay? And also you can change padding, okay? You can change everything here. And once you're okay with that, what you're going to do is you have to click this apply. You can also add borders. Okay, so once done, click apply. You can change that one later before you publish. And then the next thing to do here is you will see this image. So basically, I'm going to add image. If you want to change that, just click this one, tap this. You can change, you can add image from your browser or from their Wix gallery. So for this time, I'm going to add an image from my computer. So I'm going to browse from my computer right here. And then what you're going to do is you have, or you need to add this image to your page. So upload from computer and then add to page. And basically this is what it looks like. You can also click design if you want to add some changes. If you want to add background color or, change the padding, something like that. Top, bottom, left, right. So once you're done, again, what you're going to do is you have to click this apply. Then you will see the result right away. So done with the title or text, done with the image. Now, the next thing to do here is we have this a button. So if you tap this one right here, you can basically change this. For example, if you want to change this to subscribe now, so you just have to change it right here, delete, and you can also change the color if you want to. You can add the link if you want and change the design. So you can change or you can add some background color. Okay, change padding right here and so on. So you can also change font style, font size. And once you're okay with this, what you're going to do is you have to click this apply a button. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do next, because you have added the text, image, and you have added this button right here, is you can also add divider. If you don't want this to place right here, you can just click the arrow and then move it down. So I'm going to place this divider right here, and then I'm going to change the style. And then after that, click apply. Now we have here HTML if you want to add. So just click the twine. You can add HTML right here. And then here, the next thing to do is I'm going to add my logo. If you want to add a logo, let's just say from your company or from your office logo, or something like that, you can add it right here. For me, I'm going to add this from my business logo. And then also same thing, go to design if you want to add some changes right here. And once you're done, then what you're going to do is click apply. You can also add a background color to this, but it is optional. I'm going to add the message. It's about time to add the message. Okay, and same thing, change the font style, change the font size. And if you want to add some changes, if you want to add the sign, background color, you can just basically go tap this one and then change, click apply. If you want to add link, okay, if you want to add your social media account, if you want to add subscription, if you want to change this one, for example, get our latest recipe, something like that, you can basically change this and change the thank you message. So if you want to change any word right here, just click, and on the left side you can see here option where you can change everything. Also, you can add the sign if you want to. So this is what it looks like. I have changed this to get your recipe now, and then you can change thank you message, you can add your email address, and so on. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like. Okay, and you can also add your social media account if you want. Just paste your FB or Facebook URL, Twitter URL. If you want to add your Instagram URL, just paste it right here. And that's it. Now, before you publish, you can also click this preview right here and send a test email to someone to see the result. So all you have to do is to click review and test and then send this to someone, and basically you will see the result, or you can send this to your email address before sending this to someone or before you publish this. So this is what it looks like. This is the sample, and that's how easy it is. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.